breaking news.
Breaking news, a Polk County judge has denied Governor Reynolds' request to reinstate Iowa's fetal heartbeat law. The 2018 law would ban most abortions after 6 weeks of pregnancy. In her ruling, Judge Celine Gogarty said she doesn't believe the court has the authority to overturn the injunction. She also said the state failed to show there has been substantial change to Iowa law since the court struck down the ban. Governor Reynolds' lawyers argued the injunction should be overturned after the Iowa and U.S. Supreme Court struck down the right to an abortion, the constitutional right to an abortion. In a statement, Governor Reynolds said she was disappointed with the ruling, but vowed to appeal the decision to the Iowa Supreme Court.